Frustrated with outdated methods of finding the right cable? We get it. Catalogs and endless specs can feel overwhelming. That's why we created the Amphenol TPC Product Configurator, a tool designed to simplify your cable search and save you time. With just a few clicks, you can narrow down your cable options using simple filters like AWG size, shielding, and conductor count. No more second guessing. You'll have the right fit in no time. Need something custom? No problem. The configurator lets you create cable assemblies and cord sets tailored to your exact needs and are made to order in our custom cable and assembly solution center. Stop wasting time with complicated cable searches. Try the Amphenol TPC Product Configurator today and experience the quickest way to get your cable quote. Visit tpcwire.com and click Configure Quote to get started.